There's a big Mitsubishi electric ceiling multi-air con at my church. The church just ended at like around 12. It's like around 12:13 p.m. like at noon. And then it's running. It's just a big one. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure how many tons they are. All right. It's from the 1994. But it's from 1994. It's from the well, I don't know what it's from. It's an outdoor unit, and they also have a thermostat. That one does that room. It does the chapel room. Right here. There's the fat line. That's the suction line. The big one is, and the small one is the I don't know what that is. I almost forgot. And there's another one on the side. And there's a stone back there. Well, my church, like I said, my church just ended.